guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, no, it's been a very long time, but I'm here. I'm back again, and I'm here to stay this time. Fingers crossed. Try my best to do. But yeah, a lot has been going on while I haven't been posting, and that's why I'm here to talk about that. So if you're interested and want to know what you guys can expect from this channel, just keep on watching. Oh, and if you guys are wondering about this look here, I just did a video on it, so you guys will see this video after you guys watch this one. So yeah, main reason why I've been missing is because one, I don't have a camera, and two, I was using phone got mashed, and I just had to wait until I upgraded that phone, and so I did that, and I'm here again. So what to expect on this channel, as y'all may know, we do makeup videos. I do makeup videos. We do challenges, we do dance videos. I'm thinking about doing pranks, but I'm not sure about that as yet. People out here too sensitive and serious, and me can't manage the drama. So I'm thinking about that, and I also do baking, so I might incorporate baking videos from time to time. But if you guys like it, I'll just add it permanently to the list. Yeah, that's basically what's been done. Some of you guys may know my name, some of you guys won't, but for those who don't, and for the new subscribers, my name is Anika, and I live in Jamaica, for who don't know. And a lot of you guys may know the channel as Is Anika Thing. I've recently changed the name to Nika's World, and I also changed the intro, as you guys can see. So yeah, 2020, new beginning. Same me, but just a little switch up. Yes, guys. So if you want to see what Anika's World is about, just subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to keep posted whenever I post a video. Until then, bye guys. See you in my next video.